Hello, Dearborn Heights. My name is Fire Inspector Adam Kowalski, here to remind you about October 1st, which is our open house. Fire Marshal?
Yep, October's Fire Safety Month. So we kick off the month October 1st at 1999 Beach Daily in Dearborn Heights. Come out, talk to the firemen, put on our gear, and climb through our trucks. We'll have popcorn, some mild refreshments, donuts, cider, things like that. Go through the fire station, talk to our guys. You'll learn what it's like to be a fireman for a day. Very, very kid-friendly. Kids can operate the fire hose. Anything they want to do, the station's wide open to the people. Also, in our program, we'll put on a demonstration. We'll have a vehicle extrication. We'll actually operate the hearse tools, operate the jaws of life. Guys will put on the gear, there'll be sparks, they'll cut a car open. Basically demonstrate what we do to get a person out of a vehicle. We'll have on display like what to do if you have a oven fire, grease fire. There is operate a fire extinguisher. Please come out. It's 10 to 2, 1999 Beach Daily, Dearborn Heights. Hope to see you there.